the mission could continue. A mission transformed from near ruin to success. From the beginning of manned space flights, there's been a concern about the ability of man to survive flight through space and be able to perform satisfactorily in prolonged periods of weightlessness. This was a major concern and objective of all 3 Skylab missions, and was especially true on this mission. For the first time in space, there was a medical doctor aboard to supervise the tests in the Life Sciences program, astronaut Dr. Joseph Kerwin. This lower body negative pressure test provided valuable information on the cardiovascular system, carefully checked and monitored on the control panel, which supported all medical experiments. A measure of motor sensory performance, an experiment designed by a high school student, using a punchboard apparatus for eye-hand coordination to measure changes in motor sensory skill of the crews. Balance, orientation, and perception, so important to man's ability to function efficiently in space, was another of the life science tests. The astronauts were instructed to exercise frequently, and one of the techniques was the ergometer, or bike, to help keep them in shape. This also served as a test for possible changes in metabolic activity while working and living in a zero-G environment, as well as a check on heart rate and blood pressure under these workloads. Throughout each mission, a vast number of tests were made on eyes, ears, nose, throat, and blood samples were taken and returned for post-flight testing. Actually, we've seen only a small portion of the medical tests covering muscle and bone development, heart and blood tests, perception and equilibrium, and even cell growth.